How to turn on notification in IMO. Are you missing important messages or calls from your friends and family on the IMO? It can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's usually a very simple fix. Let's solve it together. First things first, let's open the IMO app. It's right over here. Tap on it. Once you're inside it, you'll be seeing your profile picture in top left corner. It's right over here. Tap on that too. And once you're inside it, simply tap on the setting. It's right over here. And inside the setting, you'll be seeing an option called notification. Tap on that, and this is your main control center for alerts. You will see several options here. Do you see the toggles for the messages? You can see a toggles right over here, and there's an on and off features. So make sure all of them are switched on and showing the color blue or a green. You can see all of them are drawn on. That means all of my notification is drawn on. And if they are not, simply read each items and toggle it on. And now, the most important part, if they are already on, the issue might be with your phone steps. Quickly go to your phone main settings, find your app, select the IMO and ensure that you have allowed the notification from the app there too. A quick check in the both app and the phone settings should be everything working perfectly now. So that was the process. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.